Hey guys, happy Mother's Day! Pepper is celebrating it with me. Yeah, my mom is out, so I'm going to show you guys her gift really quick. It's so cute. It's so adorable. Look. See the reflection. Oh, so nice. And when you open it, nice. Guys, I'm going to show you the card that I got her. So good. Look, happy Mother's Day. And when you open it up, I got this at Walmart if you guys want any clues for Mother's Day. Look. And then when you open it up.
Hi Mom, this is your awesome daughter Sita. I hope you have an awesome Mother's Day. Love you.
Little. So awesome. Isn't that awesome? Yeah. But it's so cool because, you know, it's just a gift, you know, there. But guys, happy Mother's Day, and I give all the wishes to all the awesome mothers out there. Comment down below to tell you what you did for Mother's Day, alright?